Hi, happy Monday. My name's Chase Dinning, an application engineer at Quest Integration. Join me every day for Chats with Chase, where I bring you tips on how to use SOLIDWORks, 3D printing, and 3D scanning. Let's start today with sketch pictures in SOLIDWORks.
There are a few reasons you may want to use sketch images. Say you have something like this area here that's rather complex with a number of compound curves. By having sketch images in several different views, like the side, front, back, and top, you can use them as a reference to visualize the actual 3D shape. Another reason is if you just need to trace something like a company logo, which is what I'll be setting up for today. Alright, I'm just looking at a blank sketch here in a new part file. I know this is the sketch I want to insert an image into, so I'll go up and select Tools, Sketch at Tools, Sketch Picture. And in this Explorer window that comes up, I'll navigate to the image file I want to insert and open it. The image will automatically be placed with the lower left corner of it at the origin. This blue bar that comes up is called the Scale tool. If we drag this end of it to one point on the image and drag the other end to another point, we get this pop-up asking for a dimension. Basically what this does is scale the image so that those 2 points have the dimension given between them. Let's throw a 5 in there, giving us a cube that's 5 inches from side to side. That looks good to me, so I'll go ahead and hit the green check mark and accept it. Now that you have this image in your sketch, you can go ahead and use your regular sketching tools to trace over it. Check out tomorrow's video, and I'll show you how you can make a sketch of this into a block to use in other parts.
Thanks for watching. Please contact me if you have any specific tips you'd like covered. See you tomorrow.